The Independent Commission of Investigation has launched a probe into complaint that a cop trimmed a teen girl locks while she was in custody. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. The Independent Commission of Investigations INDECOM has commenced inquiries into allegations that a female police officer forcefully cut the locks of a 19-year-old woman while she was in the custody at the Fort Park police station in Clarendon. The allegation regarding the unauthorized cutting of the locks here by the police officer has been circulating across multiple media platforms and is the subject of a grave public concern, INDECOM stated in a release. INDECOM viewed the allegations as expressed by the complainant in the video footage as a breach of human rights afforded to all citizens under the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom. These rights, as entitled under the Constitution of Jamaica, includes the right to equality before the law, the right to humane treatment by the public authority, and the right to freedom from discrimination on the grounds of race, place of origin, social class, color, religion, or political opinion, the release stated. The Commission's inquiry will seek to determine the actions of the police officers while the teen was in custody, to determine if rights were breached according to the law of Jamaica, and to make the requisite recommendations. The Commission said that it has also contacted the attorney and the mother of the teen to further its investigation. While the Commission acknowledged the steps taken by the High Command of the Jamaica Constabulary Force (JCF), in this matter, the allegation regarding the treatment of persons in the state custody requires independent inquiry, said the release. This has been Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll have more updated report to come on this story. This is where we say so long for now. This has been Links 7 TV, signing out for now.